Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add bank account on Fiverr. Okay, so to do that, first you need to open your own Payoneer account. Okay, so this is really important. So in order to receive your payments, you just need to create an account on Payoneer. Okay, if you haven't done that already. Of course, you can always add your bank account even without Payoneer, but it's really recommended if you live in for example in Africa or many countries in Europe. You are not going to be able to add bank account directly without Payoneer. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. Now, of course, you want to switch to selling account and you want to click on my business in the top, then click on earnings. Now after, guys, you click on earnings. Yeah, I remember it's because I just used Fiverr for like a month, even though it really there are like a 20% fees and stuff. But yeah, that's not the point. Just need to click here, manage payout methods, and then click on add a new payout method. Now you just need to select here Payoneer. Okay, then click after you select Payoneer, then you will be able to connect it. Okay, let's say that Payoneer is PayPal because I already linked my Payoneer. That's why if you click here on continue, it's going to take you guys directly to a new page. Okay, to a new page to open to connect your Payoneer account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to enter here the code. Okay, it says here continue to PayPal. This is going the same steps with Payoneer. It's going to take you directly to your account to open the account. Okay, so yeah, after that you just need to enter here the password, and it's going to take you guys directly to your Payoneer. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. You just need to link your Payoneer account. That's exactly how you can do it, and then you can start receiving payments. Okay, so yeah, hopefully, guys, this tutorial helped you. If it does, leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial.